So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shoban Sharma and today we're gonna be doing a quick video because I didn't want to let you guys leave you guys hanging this weekend. So I decided to make a tutorial video because I recently found out some cool trick. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first thing that you can do is go onto the site MP3 Juices. The link to this website will be in the description down below, so you don't have to copy down and everything. So here you can write in whatever song you want. So as long as it's on YouTube or whatever one you want to use. So for me, I want to use YouTube and SoundCloud, which are the default two. So I would like the song Psycho by Post Malone. So here, when you search it up, you can play it, which I would recommend doing just in case it's the wrong song, because many times I've fallen into the wrong place and clicked on the wrong song. So yeah, this is the right song. And then you click download, and then you would download. So just wait for this thing to download on here. So guys, now it's downloaded. Now you go ahead and click on the thing and it will automatically open up iTunes for you. So here you go, and now you will right click on this and then go to album info and then go to options, and it's up to you where you want to start and end. So for example, I would like to start with, oh my days, I would like to start at 40 seconds and end. You have to end it 30 seconds later, so that will be 1 minute and 10 seconds. So that has to be exactly 30 seconds, otherwise this won't work. So just double click on it this time, and then there you go. Now your tune will play, and then you now go to file and then go to convert and then click AAC version, and now you'll get another one, and that will be the AAC version. Now you will go to file again and press show in Finder. So this time it will show in Finder, and the one that's highlighted is a M4A file. Can you see that? So now you double click on the name and change that A to an R. So now it's an M4R. So now this message will come up and you click use M4R. So guys, at the moment it wasn't working, as you can see, but for you it will hopefully work. So I will just go with another song that I already had before. So for example, Above Average, right? So that's now so now you can connect your device, and I forgot to tell you, but this only works on Apple devices. So I'm not sure how to do on other phones. I recently found this out. I was just experimenting on my laptop and I found this out. So now after your device is connected, you will have to go to the tones button down here. So you can come chill with the team. That's the thing. It's a lifestyle. 1, 2 phases. Chill with the team. Be quiet. Be quiet. Right. So now you have your ringtones, but these are my pre-recorded ones. So if you want to do your ringtone, you go into Finder and then drag the one that you want. So drag this into there, and then it will come up. And now then you go to your iOS device and go into the sounds button, and yeah, you're all set. Choose your ringtone, and in a minute, if so, try doing a test and ask someone to call you, and it will work. The second way to do it, if MP3 Juices is not working, is go to another website called Video Converter. So you just search up Video Converter in Google, and I'll put the link to this website down below. So here it's just a website where you can convert your video to any format you would like. So on this one, you actually skip a few steps from the other one. So instead of doing the MP3, you can go straight to M4A, which is a good thing, right? So now you go to your YouTube and check out what song you want. So again, I will do yeah. Okay, just search up music. Let's just search up music, and let's just wait for this to, load. So let's get a Nepali song. So viral Banaidio, Nepali song. Quite like it. 24 million views. It's decent, more than I would ever get. Continue. So now all you have to do is basically copy this link. So right click, copy, and then go to your video converter and paste it. Control V or right click paste. So your video will get processed, and you basically just wait for that to happen. It's quite slow today. Usually it will go really fast. It might be because I have loads of background tasks going on right now. So here you have the song and then your format and how much space you'll take up. So now guys, you click download, and you'll also do the same as the MP3 Juices did, but this time it didn't start the download. So let's try and click download again, and there you go, it started the download down here, as you can see. There you go. Now you do exactly what you just did. Click on it and then go to iTunes, and then go to your not on your phone.
5, 6, 7, go.
So there you go. And now you do the same steps as last time with the converting to 30 seconds, and then click file, convert to AAC, sorry, and then go on to your phone and import it. It's done. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. I hope this helped. Yeah, that's a piece from me.